In this video, I'll guide you through how to set the default font in Libreoffice. Whether you're new to Libreoffice or simply looking to customize your documents, setting a default font can save you a lot of time and effort, ensuring that every new document you create has a consistent look. So let's dive right in and make this quick and easy change together. First things first, you'll want to open up the LibreOffice application on your computer. LibreOffice is an excellent open source Office suite, and getting familiar with its settings can really enhance your productivity. So if you haven't already, go ahead and launch the application. Now, once you have LibreOffice open, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see a menu bar, and what we're interested in is the Tools menu. Clicking on Tools will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu is your gateway to customizing many aspects of LibreOffice, so it's good to get comfortable navigating it. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Options. This step is crucial because it takes you to the main settings panel of LibreOffice, where you can tweak and adjust a variety of settings to better suit your needs. The Options menu is where you can personalize your LibreOffice experience from appearance to functionality. Once you're in the Options menu, look for the Fonts section. The Font section is where all the magic happens regarding text appearance. Clicking on Fonts will open up a new window that allows you to set your preferred font style and size. Now, you might notice that there are quite a few settings in this area, but don't worry. What you're looking for is the Reset button at the bottom of the window. Clicking Reset ensures that any previous changes or custom settings are cleared out, giving you a clean slate to set your desired default font. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set the default font in LibreOffice. This change will apply to all new documents you create from this point forward, providing a consistent and personalized look every time. Remember, having a default font can improve your document workflow and make your work look more professional. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of LibreOffice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy typing and enjoy your newly customized LibreOffice experience.